They're America's largest injury law firm, Morgan & Morgan.
Okay. First of all, if you received forbearance and you just thought that you might not be able to make that payment, but somehow you're able to make that payment for the duration.
I'm your host, Yelena.
First of all, if you receive